We're all in on AI. We believe that it is the most significant general purpose technology to be invented since the internet. And maybe it's even more important than the internet. AI
Mm.
is going to change the way our expectations of financial services, the way we engage with financial services. It's going to make it a lot smarter, and it's going to make it a lot more embedded into our lives. So imagine a place where a world where your shopping experience and your banking experience is completely integrated. I predict that probably what will happen is that our financial services lives will in time be mostly conducted through what I would call financial super apps. So every one of us will over time have a go-to place for any financial needs. So before you even think about where you go, you just go like, let me go to my super app of choice and just start there with to meet any financial need, and that super app will increasingly know you personally very well, will know what you need, will be able to anticipate your needs, and will be able to help you not only mechanically execute the things you want to execute, but also help you make smarter financial decisions.